here's what you should be doing. Taking these nails in a hair straightener and just clamping on for a couple seconds, and then boom, it does a heat seal, if you can see that. And then when you want to open them, just cut them with the scissors. So today I'm just going to show you how to cut your nails using ColorStreet. So this is when they are kind of hard and it's your second pack and you didn't seal them up with a hair straightener. So they're going to look like this when you put them on your nails. They don't look very good, and they're kind of coming off, as you can tell with this pinky nail here. But basically all you have to do is, I like to go in and cut the sides. So I'll cut this part off. And then you just cut your nails. So I'm going to cut my nails and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. I'm cutting this piece off. So it looks a little better. You can also take your thumb and just take that off with your thumb. But it's kind of hard because they're dried. So that's why the clipper is better, or you can just push it in and it'll kind of stay in there as well. So that one looks a little better. And I'll do the same with this one. But now this penguin is kind of coming off, so what I'm going to do is, if you can see, yeah, he's kind of coming off. So I'm just going to push it down and hold it with my finger, make sure it sticks, and then I'm going to cut it a little bit. The cat really wants to come in the room. Okay, so now we cut it a little bit. Now we're going to cut the nail. And so that looks better. It's obviously a little circular, but you can adjust it as the day goes on, or take your nail and again push it in there, your thumbnail, or cut it off with your thumbnail. So here's our two fingers now, looking better compared to before. And then you just do that. Oh, kitty. Hi. Fine, you can come in. Okay. What am I doing? Do you want your nails cut too? Yeah? Hey. Oh, you're so cute. You're the cutest. Okay, so we're cutting the penguin. Don't want to cut off the head that much. So there's that. And this one. Oh, what am I doing? You're silly. There's these four, and then this one. There we go. So that looks a little better. That's just what you do when they are dry and you can't really do anything about them. You just cut your nails with it, and there you go. Bye!